Hi, welcome to Loveys Lovely Life. I'm Terry, aka Lovey, and welcome to my channel. I wanted to take this time to tell you a little bit about myself and my channel. About me, I am a stay-at-home wife. I have been married for 20 plus years. I have 2 grown kids and 3 grandkids. I have stayed at home most of my children's life, so I pretty much consider myself a professional stay-at-home wife. I'm finding it hard to have a niche, is what they call it, on YouTube for this channel, but I'm a housewife. I'm not one thing. I am 100 things, and we're going to talk about them all here. If it happens in the 4 walls of your house and in your yard, we're going to talk about it here.
Oh my God.
It's okay. It turns white and bubbling. It's still dirty. Spray, spray, spray. Look at that. It's soaked. And it is clean. $5. So you go in the $5 bin and get a whole bunch of t-shirts for just $5. I got this cute little California 92 camo shirt. It's got this black with a little gray camo. I really like this necklace. I cannot wait to wear it. And my little matching ring. Thank you, Caleb. That I'm running low on. But I usually go right after payday, and because I know I'm going to be spending a lot because it lasts me forever. So here are some things that I got on this shopping haul. What sound does a monkey make? Hey, sweetie, what sound does a monkey make? Say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Say, ooh, ooh. Whatever happens in the 4 walls of your house, we will be covering here. I want to dedicate this channel to helping all the wives and moms out there with little things that don't seem very easy, but we can make them a little bit easier and make your life a little bit more lovelier. So if any of this interests you and you would want to learn some more stuff from a seasoned, I don't want to say old, a seasoned veteran of staying at home, subscribe to my channel. So I hope you subscribe, and I hope I see you next time. Bye.